The Maui fires, which erupted in August 2023, represent one of the most devastating wildfire events in recent U.S. history. Fueled by a combination of strong winds from Hurricane Dora, dry conditions, and high temperatures, these fires spread rapidly across the island of Maui, causing widespread destruction. The fires particularly ravaged the historic town of Lahaina, obliterating homes, businesses, and significant portions of infrastructure. The devastation resulted in a substantial loss of life, with dozens of fatalities and many more injured, while thousands of residents were displaced from their homes. The fires had severe environmental impacts, including the destruction of natural habitats and the release of pollutants into the air and water. In response, a massive emergency effort was mobilized, involving local and national resources, including firefighters, emergency responders, and military personnel. These teams worked tirelessly to combat the fires and assist with evacuations, while federal and state agencies have been crucial in supporting recovery and rebuilding efforts. The aftermath of the Maui fires has highlighted broader issues related to climate change, emphasizing the need for improved wildfire preparedness and mitigation strategies. The events have also underscored the resilience of the affected communities and the importance of coordinated disaster response. As recovery continues, there is a strong focus on addressing both the immediate needs of the affected residents and the long-term challenges posed by such catastrophic events.